Hi, I'm Fuzzy. I'm a spokesperson for Yaya, Young Artists, Young Adults. I'm not from a traditional background of education, however, Yaya has given me the platform to empower myself and others, and at the same time it allows other people to see that we're wanting to be professional artists and we're doing it off our own back as leaders.
I'm Nathaniel Hodges from Yaya. What I like to bring to Tramway Theatre is self-belief in young people once again. What I do as chairman of Yaya is direct group meetings in a positive direction. My position needs commitment, dedication, trust and self-discipline, all the things that young people have but don't generally use.
Hi, my name is Steph and I'm from Yaya and I'm the treasurer from the organisation. I love taking part in participation because I love to get to know new people and be able to learn new skills. I've come to Glasgow to show you that youth leadership doesn't just happen, it takes time, energy and support.
I'm Tom. I joined Yaya because I was doing a media course and I wanted to kind of vary my experiences within that art form. Through Yaya, I have done promotional media, so to speak, such as making the website, documenting and filming local events, and maintaining email contact with various contacts for the group. I think Fresh Faced is a great event to further the exposure of youth arts leadership.